Hello! Today we're going to be creating a fun and spooky jumping bat. For this project, you will need one printed jumping bat template, 2 paper cups, 2 brad clips, 1 rubber band, 1 glue stick, 1 skewer, and a pair of scissors. We'll begin by preparing the bottom of the cup, which will act as the launcher. Using your skewer, carefully puncture 2 holes near the rim of the cup directly across from each other. Be gentle as you push through the paper. You only need holes large enough for the rubber band to fit through later. If you don't have a skewer, that's okay. You can use another pointy object like a pencil or even the tip of a pen. Just look around and see what you have at home that can safely make the holes. Next, insert one of the brad clips through one of the holes you made earlier. Be sure to insert it from the inside of the cup outward so the rounded head of the brad clip sits inside the cup. Once it's in place, open the 2 metal legs on the outside of the cup to secure it. Make sure the legs are pressed flat and positioned parallel to the rim of the cup. Then, repeat this step with the second brad clip on the opposite side of the cup. Now it's time to secure the rubber band onto the cup. Take one end of the rubber band and loop it under the first brad clip so it catches securely underneath the 2 opened metal legs. Then, stretch the rubber band across the rim of the cup and loop the other end under the second brad clip in the same way. Make sure the rubber band rests flat between both clips and sits evenly across the cup. This tension will create the energy that makes the bat jump later on. Now we're ready to cut out each of the jumping bat parts from the printed template. Carefully cut out each piece, taking your time around the curves and smaller details. Work slowly so everything keeps its shape and looks great when we put it all together. When you're finished, you should have 2 bat wings, 2 ears, 2 eyes, fangs, and 2 legs. Next, locate the direction that your rubber band runs across your cup. We're going to be gluing the bat parts on the side of the cup that's parallel to the stretched rubber band. This will make sure your bat faces forward when it jumps. Apply glue to the back of each piece and then press firmly onto the cup. Hold each piece in place for a few seconds to make sure it sticks and begins to dry. Go ahead and glue on the ears, eyes, fangs, and legs. We're not gluing the wings on just yet. To attach the bat wings, start by folding each wing along the solid line. This fold creates a small rectangle that will be used to glue the wings in place. Apply glue to that folded rectangle on one wing, then press it firmly onto the side of your jumping bat and hold it for a few seconds to make sure it sticks. Then, repeat the same step for the other wing, folding and gluing it onto the opposite side of the bat. Once both wings are attached, your jumping bat should really start to take shape. You've just finished creating your jumping bat. To make your bat jump, place your bat directly on top of your second cup. Then, press the cup down gently and hold it in place. As you press, the rubber band stretches, building up tension and potential energy, which is energy waiting to be used. When you let go, that energy transfers into kinetic energy, sending your bat flying into the air. For the best result, test your bat on a flat surface. Try pressing down with different amounts of force or adjusting the rubber band's tension to see the difference in how high your bat jumps. Don't forget to customize your jumping bats using whatever craft supplies you have at home. You can color them in with crayons or markers, or add fun details like pom-poms, pipe cleaners, or stickers to make each one unique. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and keep having fun with STEM.